Welcome to my channel. The full video will start in the next few seconds. Make sure you watch to the end so that you see the results. And for the app I use in this video, it will come pre-installed in your Android phone. So this means this is strictly for Android users. And if you do not find this app in your phone, then check the description under this video where you will see the link to download this. So let's get started. So guys, today I'll be showing you how to free up your phone space memory. So first thing you will do is locate this file manager here, okay, from Google. Locate it and then you open it. Then let's see how much of storage you have. Looking up here, you will see that we have used 62 gig out of 64. Automatically we are having less than 4 gig. So let me check how many you have. So when you go down, you see here internal storage, I have 1.6 gigabytes left. So the first thing you want to do is to go back to this place, this clean. Go back to clean, and then let's clean the junk. Click on clean junk and clear. So let's see what we have. We only saved 512 megabytes. Okay, so you can choose to delete any of these memes or delete duplicates that are here. Okay, there are options that you can delete. Okay, so let's not go there. Let's go to browse, and then let's go to app. This is where most of the storage, this is where most of your memory is locked up. These apps, you can see 32 gigs of app. So we are not deleting the app, but we'll free up some of the apps. So what we'll do now is we are going to go to your recent used app, all those apps that you usually use frequently. That is the apps you open. So let me check files by Google first. You click on this place, clear data, and then you clear cache. Before I clear the cache, take a look at this place. You see this place, this storage, you will see it reducing in size. Okay, so I clear cache. So it's just a few megabytes that was cleared. So we go back, open WhatsApp. You see WhatsApp will have 3.7 gigabytes. Okay, so clear cache. Bluetooth is 3.74. So the other ones that are left there are your pictures, videos, and files that you collected from people. So let's go to another one. Let's go to Facebook. I don't use Facebook that frequently, but let me still clear cache. You see it have reduced from 700 to 400 megabytes. That's almost 300 megabytes that was cleared. So let's go to another one. Let's go to Twitter. Clear data from 315 megabytes. We're going to have 189. Can you see what is going on? So for gallery, we have 440 megabytes. So clear. What do we have left? Nothing actually was reduced from this one. So let's go to status saver, and then clear data, clear cache. Wow, from 200 to 60 megabytes. So which one have we not cleared? Photos. Let's go to photos. We have 0.96. that is like 960 megabytes. So clear cache, and then let's see what happens. Wow, we got from 960 megabytes to 278 megabytes. So let's go to another one. So photo.
can see we now have 6.6 gigabytes free. So we have deleted cache, and cache was taking up to 4 gigabytes of cache. You can see. So that's it. Your phone is back.